Hello everybody, yours truly, Henry Sanchez and Mark Sullins, the two old ball guys. We wanted to take a minute out and talk to you and let you know that every Tuesday at 6 p.m. we'll be doing our podcast. And subscribe to the AM Pressure Washing YouTube, but click this link. Everybody subscribe so you can come on board and you can come live every Tuesday night and talk to us and ask us questions. We'll be more than glad to help you out.
And don't forget to go ahead and join us every Tuesday night at 6 p.m. right here on YouTube. Check us out, listen to our podcast, and hopefully we see you guys there.
So everybody, all of our followers, share this link, click this link, subscribe, share it to everybody, and tell all your friends, family, co-workers to subscribe as well. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers on this YouTube so we can start going live and everybody can go. So click the link below.
Peace.
Peace.